How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing well, thanks. Thanks so much for joining me once again. I appreciate it.
I'm happy to do it. It's fun. I get to be outside. It's perfect.
How fun. You know, with National Camping Week upon us, what's the secret to planning a great family camping trip?
I think the secret is to just go anyway, like get started. So yeah, we are kicking off National Camping Week. I'm at a KOA campground in Mystic, Connecticut, and I'm standing in front of a Park Model RV, which is a great way to get started. If you're new to camping or if you're a camping resistor, it has everything that you need. It's basically a cabin, has everything you need: linens, wine glasses, plates, pots and pans, space. In fact, let me just show you inside. Let's just go inside and take a look. Like I said, lots of space, so even a family of 5 like mine has enough space to spread out. Full kitchen, all the amenities that you need for a successful family vacation, bedroom with queen-size bed and a door for privacy, full bathroom, but it still feels cozy. You still feel like you've left home. You're going to walk out your front door and you're going to be outdoors. You're going to be on a campground with lots of amenities, all different There's 16,000 campgrounds in the US, and the amenities range from spas to vineyards to lots of fun kids stuff to do. Like at this KOA that I'm at right now, there's a huge pool. There's this bouncy pillow floor at the playground for the kids to bounce around on. I see pets running around, volleyball court, lots of really fun stuff here, especially for the newbie or, you know, first-time camper or camping resistant type of person, because you don't have to pack everything up and you don't have to unpack it when you get home.
How fun. So what are some do's and don'ts for beginners?
I think the do's are just do it anyway. Like, don't let anything get in your way. If you really wanted to try camping, or even if you're not sure, give it a try. Do bring your family, even if it wasn't the vacation that they thought it was going to be, because you're going to have a wonderful family memory out of it. And don't let anything get in your way if that's what you want to do. I mean, just don't think that it can't be done, because it can. And if you really want an RV, don't be afraid to do that too. You know, rent an RV. If you don't own one, you can rent one. And the hottest new trend in RVing this year is seasonal camping. You just set up your towable and you leave it there for the summer. It's there for you to access as you want to throughout the summer. It becomes your summer getaway. It's beautiful. Well, you got to see this one inside. Let's just go inside. Let me show you this one. Huge living room. This looks like a small home, right? The reclining chairs, table lamp. You have all the amenities again that we talked about before. The bedroom with a queen size bed, and you have the door for privacy. You have a full bathroom, full kitchen, and all the amenities that you need. There's a TV, doesn't mean you have to turn it on, but again, once you walk out the door, you're back into the great outdoors. You have a campfire right outside your door where you can make s'mores and campfire food and just enjoy some real family time outside with the fresh air.
And so what's the secret to choosing the perfect campground for you and your family?
Well, the secret to choosing the right campground is use your resources really well. GoRVing.com has tons of resources there, how to choose the right camper for your family, the right campground. Maybe you know the location you're going, but you're not sure which campground, so it has all the amenities listed out for you. GoRVing.com is going to be your resource, whether you're new at this or whether you've been doing this for a really long time. And of course, if you're looking for other moms to connect with who are camping and who, you know, you just want advice, go to travelingmom.com. We have a lot of information there as well.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Kim. I appreciate it. Have a great weekend.
Oh, you too. Lots of fun.
Thank you.